it's the girl with the Pilates mat. I do actually have a mat. Look, here's my mat. It's been lent to me by the hotel where I'm staying, which is very nice of them. And I've got my towel over the top, and we're going to do a little workout down at the beach here. It's evening now, and as you can see, the sun is still shining. It's amazing. It's absolutely lovely. And I'm going to do an arm workout, arm, back, and a little bit of core. It's going to be no more than 10 minutes, all right? So I want you to do it with me. Let's get cracking. All right, so let's start kneeling position. All right, you're going to draw the tummy in, and then you're going to exhale, tucking under. You're just going to tuck that tailbone under so you can get a little stretch there in the lower back. And you're going to inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to go back the other way. And then we're going to do a little dip down and a press up. We're going to do that again. So deep breath in, exhale, tucking under, stretching the back, inhale, and you're going to exhale as you go back the other way. And you do a little press up, down, and you're going to push back up. And again, deep breath in, exhale, tucking under, inhale, and exhale back the other way. Press up, down, and up. Good. Deep breath in, exhale. Inhale, back the other way, press up, down, and up. One more time, deep breath in, exhale, inhale there, exhale, going back in the other direction. Good, little press up. Well done. Now you're going to tuck the toes under, little bit of core. We're just going to float the knees up, so we're going to float them up, an inch, and down. So you're going to breathe out as you lift them up. Breathe in to lower. Breathe out to lift. Breathe in to lower. Good. Breathe out to lift. And lower. I have to say it feels nice to work the core after lying on the beach all day, which is what I was doing today. So I'm going to exhale, lift. And inhale down. Exhale, lift. And inhale down. Two more. Exhale, lift. And down. And exhale, lift. And down. Good. So I'm going to go into some press ups now. So I'm going to widen my hands slightly, and I'm going to take my legs back. So I'm going to do the modified one, but if you're super strong or you're used to doing them like this, you can do them like this. In fact, shall I try? Yeah, I'm going to try, see if I can do it. So I'm going to go down and up. Oh, that's difficult. Down, press up, down, press up. Good. Down, press up, down, press up, nearly there, down, press up, down, and last one. Not bad, considering I normally do the modified version. Okay, going to bring the knees down. All right, so I'm going to come up, and I'm going to lift up. I'm just going to do a little stretch of the thighs, but also work the core. Okay, so you're going to tuck the tailbone under, going to reach the arms out, and then you're just going to hinge back from the knees. So hinging back from the knees, and then coming up. Hinging back, and coming up. Get a good stretch right here. Going to hinge back, and up. Hinging back, and up. Good. Hinging back. Trying to keep your spine still. So there's no movement here in the body. It's all coming from your knees. I'm going to do two more. So I'm going to keep these short repetitions for all of these, and then down and up. Good. We're going to come back. We're going to do the narrow arm press up. So for the triceps, I'm going to do the modified version, I think. But if you want to do it full version like this, by all means do. So modified is you take your knees back, you bring your pelvis forward, hands in line with the shoulders, and think of the elbows going back. So you're going to inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Down, press up. Down, press up. Good. Tummies in, everybody. And down, press up. Down, press up. One more, down, press up. Very good. All right, so going on to the back now. Which I mean we're going to work the back. All right, so you're going to take yourself down onto your front, and we're going to go through a sequence of movements. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to tuck my microphone away slightly. That's it. We're going to have our hands beside us like this. feet slightly separated. Now I want you to think of your shoulders drawing down and your neck lengthening. All right, and all you're going to do is lift your arms to the side. You're going to lift them up and down. And I want you to do that without changing the position of your back. It's actually quite difficult. And also do it without pinching your shoulder blades. So think of your shoulder blades going wide. You're going to lift the arms up and take them down. You're going to lift them up and take them down. It doesn't look a lot, but it's actually a very good way of strengthening the upper portion of the back and toning the back, if that's what you're looking for, and down. So you're going to lift up and down. 2 more, lift up and down, and lift up and down. Now you're going to leave the hands there. You're going to pull your tummy muscles in away from the floor, the mat, whatever you're lying on. In my case, the beach. And we're going to take a deep breath in. As we breathe out, we're going to pull the tummy in. We're going to start to lift the back up, just onto the bottom of your ribs. And then you're going to lower it down. So you're going to take a breath in, breathe out to lift. And then we're going to lower back down. All right, so you're breathing out to lift up and breathing in to lower. And what you're trying to not do is change the position of your head. Lots of people do this in class when I'm teaching class. All right, so think of your chin tucking slightly in your neck, lengthening as you do it. So you're going to lift up and lower down and lift up. Now I want you to go right down. I can't go all the way down because I've got my microphone right under my chin, but I want you to go down and then lift up and then lower, and 1 more, and lower. Okay, then from there you're going to tuck the toes under. We're going to lift up. We're going to bring the knees in underneath us. We're just going to do a little stretch out, so deep breath in, exhale, releasing the back. A lot of people get pain and discomfort in their lower back. Those exercises can be quite challenging, so it's good to do a little release before you go on, and back. Let's do 2 more. So we're going to exhale, tucking under, and back. I don't know why I feel a bit more serious on this one for some reason, because we're working the back, and something I'm very passionate about is the spine and having a healthy spine. So I think that's probably why I'm a bit more serious doing this one. All right, so we're going to go back down. All right, so you're going to lay down again. Back into the same position, so you've got your hands like this, feet slightly separated. You're going to take a deep breath in, and this time you're going to breathe out, and you're going to float the back up and the hands all together. And then you're going to lower back down. So this is getting a little bit more challenging now. So you're going to exhale to lift, and inhale to lower. Going to exhale to lift, and inhale to lower. Exhale, lift, and lower. Exhale, lift, and lower. Exhale, lift, and lower. And 1 more, exhale, lift, and lower. Let's go into a little release. So we're going to come back up onto the knees. All right, you're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to breathe out. You're going to tuck under. And this time, you're going to do a big tuck. You're going to sit your bottom back towards your feet, all the way back down. Give your back a little stretch out. Then you're going to take your elbows down. You're going to glide your body forward until your head is level with your hands. You're going to press up through the arms and shoulders. Okay, so let's do that again. Whoa, it's getting windy now. Take a deep breath in. And then here we go. We're going to exhale, tucking under. You're going to inhale. You're going to sit all the way back. Just going to move that towel off my foot. And then you're going to take the elbows down. You're going to glide the body forward and press up. And again, deep breath in. Exhale, tuck under. Sitting all the way back. That's your inhale. Take the elbows down. Glide the body forward and press up. And 1 more deep breath in. Exhale, tucking under. And coming all the way back. Good. Elbows down, reaching all the way forward and pressing up. Right, back down again. Okay, so back down, for the back. We're going to put this sequence of things together now that we've been doing, all right? So hands down, feet slightly separated. We're going to float up the back and the hands. This time we're going to reach them forward, trying not to lower the back as you do. You're going to circle around like you're swimming in this sea in front of me. You're going to bend the elbows and you're going to lower all the way back down. Let's try it again. So we're going to lift up. We're going to reach forward. We're going to circle the arms, and as you do, you're going to try and lift higher up. You're going to bend at the elbows and lower all the way down. You're going to do it 2 more times. You're going to lift up, reach the hands forward. Good. Keeping that height, see if you can lift a little bit higher. Bend at the elbows and down. And last one, lifting up and reaching forward and circle all the way around. Try and lift a little bit higher. Bend at the elbows and down. We're going to press up, coming in, little stretch out to finish. Deep breath in, exhale, nice little stretch. Good. Sitting all the way back, reaching the body out, and just having a nice little stretch to finish. And then come on up, and there we go. So that's a little bit of core, a little bit of back. I hope it wasn't too hard. The only thing I could say is it's not going to be as hard as my poor cameraman who's actually out in the ocean filming this. He's up to here in the water. All right, so thank you very much for the help. All right, if you liked it, give me the thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.